Hey everyone, my name is Maddie Grace and I will be taking over Abby Ray's vlog for the week. She is at summer camp this week having a blast, and so I wanted to show you guys what we are going to be doing this week because this is our last week at home before our cross-country trip. So we have to pack everything while she's gone. She'll get home on Friday night and then we leave 5 a.m. on Saturday. So we have a lot going on, and so I wanted to keep you guys updated. And then while we start our trip, Abby Ray is going to be taking over again. So yes, I hope you enjoy this little takeover vlog video, and yeah, we'll see you there. Hey guys, so I am here with my clothes that are going to get packed in the camper. I wanted to just give you a sneak peek of like what went into this process of picking out what I'm going to wear for the next 3 weeks. So this was hard because I was having to look at like the weather forecast for the next 2 weeks of like all the places that we're going to be, and it's tough because we're in places like Nashville and Louisville, and it gets, you know, hot during the day and it stays pretty warm at night, but then you get to like, you know, the Grand Canyon and it's a low of 48 at night, and it stays that way until like 8 or 9 in the morning, and then it gets up to like 115, and so that was tough. I have like fleeces and sweatshirts and rain jackets, but then I also have like you know, shorts and t-shirts and you know, sundresses and stuff like that, and so we are gonna be layering a lot. It's gonna be interesting, but yeah, so this is my pile that once we get the camper back from the shop, then we can start actually packing things in the camper. So yes, it's very, very difficult to pack lightly, but we're trying. So we'll see if all of this fits into my couple of drawers. So anyways, I am about to go and vacuum the van because we're towing the van behind the RV, and so we need that to be, you know, clean and not disgusting. So anyways, yes, so I will see you in a second. Alright guys, so something just happened, new development in the story of Norm. So me and my mom and Gabe were following my dad. We were in the van and my dad was driving the RV like up our street that we live on, and so it was very close to home. But we see this like trail of water coming from the RV, and so he like backs it into the driveway, and it's just like pouring from like not even one specific section. It's just like all over, just like dripping as if we had like sprayed the bottom with like the garden hose or something. Like it was a lot.
Wow.
This tank shifted. See that hose right there?
Yeah.
That hose connects that tank and this tank together.
I see it.
And
it like came undone right there.
yeah, the whole tank, this whole tank shifted.
Oh, how do you make sure it doesn't?
I have no idea, but we're gonna figure it out.
And so yes, we have determined that there was a yak rat attack.
Yak rats. I swear it's yak rats.
So yeah, so that is what happened. It should be fine. Hopefully we can fix it, but it was a little panicky there for a moment, but it's all good, hopefully. All right, everybody, today is Friday. It is the last day we are at home, so it is getting real. Like, yeah, it's insane. We have a lot to do today. We got a lot done yesterday. We packed a lot of the food and pretty much everyone's clothes, but today is like all the finishing stuff. So everything we're gonna need while we're driving, all of the toiletries, all the shoes, all that kind of stuff. So yes, it's gonna be crazy. We have to make the beds, lots of things. So we'll keep you updated. Abby just got home from camp. How was it, Abby?
Amazing. I had so much fun.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part about the week?
I think the best game.
The best game?
Yeah.
Very cool. Oh my goodness, that's so awesome.
Yeah.
We're so excited to have you home.
Yeah, I'm excited to be home.
Guess what?
What?
I took over your vlog this week. I've been vlogging.
Yay!
Yes.
Yay, okay.
Very excited.
That makes me excited.
Are you excited to see the camper?
I am. I'm so excited.
Yes.
I'm excited so badly.
You're excited so badly. All right, say bye.
Bye.